Hello, boys and girls. Today our story is called It's Halloween Night, written by Jennifer O'Connell, illustrated by Jennifer Morris. It's Halloween night, and I'll be a fright with this pointy hat and my spooky cat. I'm a witch. It's Halloween night. I'll dress all in white. I've cut out 2 eyes for a big surprise. I'm a ghost. It's Halloween night. Won't I be a sight? With coal black nose and fur head to toes. I'm a bear. It's Halloween night. Watch out, I might bite with these scary fangs and my pointy bangs. I'm a vampire. It's Halloween night. My costume's just right. With my satin gown and golden crown, I'm a princess. It's Halloween night and the moon shines bright. We run through the gate and can hardly wait. We ring the bell and then we yell. Trick or treat! On Halloween night. The end. Thank you for joining me for story time today, boys and girls. I hope you enjoyed the story. Bye-bye for now.